Hi. Did I just call Darth Vader?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Well,
Why would you say that?
I don't know. You sounded a little raspy. What's up? Are you sick?
I'm always rusty.
No. No, I find that sexy. What are your prices tonight?
2 an hour, 1.5 for half hour. Who am I speaking to?
You're speaking to Michael. Can I schedule a fetish for 30 minutes?
Yeah, of course.
Alright. Are you fetish friendly or is this going to be weird for you?
Very much so.
Which part? See, I don't know. I've talked to many other prostitutes and they're not very accepting of my fetish. So I'm afraid you're going to hang up. But I'm just going to say it anyways to get it out of the way.
I'm open-minded. I don't judge.
Alright, cool. When I was little, I grew up on a farm and I just love barnyard animal noises. Like goats, horses, whatever you can do. Are you able to do any of those noises? Like me or like meow or something like that? What's so funny?
That's fine.
It's no joke. Like I'm serious.
I've required that before.
Someone's asked that before?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
I ran into all types.
Awesome.
I don't charge. I wouldn't want to be charged.
You don't charge for that?
That's the thing.
You're such a sweetheart. Can you are you sure you can do those noises though? That was great. You're really good at them. You're better than me almost. Did you do the horse noise? Cause that's one that gets me rock hard instantly.
Yeah, actually, a horse.
Yeah, like or that was amazing.
Or a cow.
Yeah, a cow. Can you do a cow? Yeah. That's I'm totally erect right now. We better not talk about this anymore. I might just, finish right now. I want to meet you first.
Okay. Alright.
What was that? Why'd you beep at me?
Alright, I look forward to the like.
I'll be there in like 10 minutes. But why'd you beep at
Give me a
me?
little more time than that.
Are you with a client right now?
No.
Oh, okay. Because I want you fresh, you know what I mean? Like, I want you tight, Kegel exercises, everything before I get there. Well, you're my favorite prostitute of tonight, so I'll see you soon, alright?
Alright, I'll text you this time.
Alright, thank you. Love you.
Okay.
Mwah. Bye.